Hi guys, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I will show how to make a 1000 mAh power bank using 18650 battery. Now let's get started. First you will need a 18650 battery cell. I am using 4 batteries, 18650 batteries. I am using a power bank module with casing. Now let's start to make this. Friends, there is parallel connection. These are positive and these are negative. All connection will be parallel. Guys, this is negative wire, all negative wires, and this is positive wire. All connection are in parallel. Now friends, we need to connect module wire. Friends, all connection has been done. There is positive, positive and positive. There is negative and there is negative. All connection has been in parallel series. There is power bank module. Now for guys, time for testing. Now guys, this power bank has been ready to use, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.